Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So, you've seen lots of videos of Persephone and her engine rebuild. So, we've got oil in it, we've got tranny fluid in it, and we put a little gas in it, and we've got a battery in it. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it'll start. I got the distributor set right to the middle, so maybe not, but we'll give it a crank, see what happens, and chase it down. So follow along. This is always exciting. Oh, first try, dead battery. All right, I think we got fuel to the injectors, but we're gonna see what happens, see if she'll make noise. An injector squeal. Oh, she really wants to. We're gonna give that starter a rest. We got compression because we're making noise, and we got a little bit of smoke coming out of the tailpipe. So we have made some noise. All right, we're gonna give this a go. I think I finally purged all the fuel lines. See if she'll make some noise. Oh, she really wants to. We're gonna move the dizzy just a little bit. Like that. All right, here we go. Let's see if he'll make some noise. She wants to. Poof, we're gonna set the timing, but she started. Sorry guys, hosty on the video, but amazing how well they run when you get the distributor in the right spot. All right, we got the distributor in the right spot. We got the idle turned way up. So we're idling around. The tach says 2,000 RPMs. We've got good oil pressure. And we're just trying to build some temp so we can do her first oil change. And let's see. I don't see anything under the back. We did change the fuel system, so don't see anything under the front. Wow, she's hitting nice. All right, 1974, aka Persephone. Engine is back together and running. Maybe tomorrow we'll get up the junction to try to shift gears. Thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.